guys, we have just landed in Beijing. So, right now we are now on our way to the immigration. We will figure out how can we avoid the fictions of visa. And guys, may makikita tayong signage na temporary entry permit application. Let's go here. My God, parang Carlan lang. But, follow na natin yung exit way, guys. Actually, papunta ito ng immigration. So, of course, guys, first thing first, you need to fill out the arrival card. Dito muna sa kanila. But, the arrival card can be done online. So, we need to do that first. Banda guys, pass muna tayo sa health quarantine. Tapos may check-up dito. Ay, may application dito for entry permit. Pasok mo after sa quarantine, makikita mo yung signage na may 24 hours. Visa-free transit. So, dito very straightforward lang siya. May dedicated lane pala yung request ng temporary entry visa for 24 hours. So, hindi na wala na yung fill up na form. Tapos, yung arrival na sinasabi nila na arrival card, you have to do that online na. So, sa online, doon mo na lang i-check na you will be availing the 24-hour transit visa. And do not forget to screenshot your QR code kasi hahanapin nila. Yun. So, after that, idalagyan ng sticker yung ating passport. Of course, they will be checking your boarding pass also, guys, that you have a connecting flight to other or to different country. And it should be in the same airline. Yeah. So, welcome to China again. Guys, this is what the entry permit looks like. Ayan. After exiting the custom, guys, we will be looking first to the counter of Air China. Para ma-avail natin, makalagyan tayo, para mahatid tayo sa hotel. Kasi may free shuttle service din kasi sila, guys. When you leave the arrival, yan, may makikita kayong transfer service dito, guys. Dito tayo mag-i-inquire for our transfer going to our hotel. Guys, so after natin doon, is dito tayo pinaghintay para sa ating free shuttle service going to our hotel. Our bus is here. So we are now on our way to our hotel. The name of the hotel is Beijing Olympic Airport Hotel. Actually, malapit lang siya, guys, sa airport. Malapit lang yung airport, guys. Malapit lang yung hotel sa airport talaga. Actually, mga around 5 minutes lang siya na taxi ride. 5 to 10 minutes. Ayan, mama.
我是忙啊，下午过来忙逼了，发2趟。
Just what a coincidence. Dito din pala kami kumain, guys. Diyan kami sa second floor. On our last day sa aming, sa aming tour last week. And it happened, it's still the same airport. Natutulugan natin ngayon. Now here at our accommodation, guys, na magpa-sleep over natin. Ayan. Look at guys, how huge the room is. On this section, may 2 bed. Single bed siya. Isang bedroom na to. Then may conjunction room. And another 2 single beds. Oh my gosh. Madam. Yes. Then ang CR, guys, very spaciously spacious. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Yan. Until 2 p.m. din yung ating check-out tomorrow. So we don't have to worry. Then may free breakfast din tomorrow, guys. So perfect talaga ito. Yan. So matutulog muna kami, guys, kasi 12 midnight na kami nakarating. And tomorrow is we will be exploring some of the destinations here in China na hindi natin napuntahan, in Beijing pala, na hindi natin napuntahan last week sa ating group tour dito sa China. Breakfast time! Let's head first to the Outback restaurant for our breakfast. Guys, buffet yung breakfast dito. Meat bun. Wow. Steamed cornbread. Wow. Nice rice and shine. It's already, this is only our time to travel, to visit some of these spots here in Beijing. Originally, we planned to visit to Mutyan yun na entrance sa ating grade 4. However, we were so tired last night and we need to get some rest.
Rest
So,
in peace.
we decided to visit the Temple of Heaven for this layover in Beijing, China. So, this is the spot that we haven't visited last week during our group tour in China. Nag-book kami ng Didi guys na ride sa ating Alipay app. So, may Didi travel na doon sa Alipay.
Hello, Jen.
Yeah. So, we're just waiting for our ride going to the Temple of Heaven. Dito na yung ating Didi ride. Ride na tayo guys. Oh, pak.
Hello, Jen.
Wala, kagwapa na po dili.
Sak-sak na po.
Ayan, so,
Or later.
30 minutes pa yung ating biyahe from our hotel going to the Temple of Heaven. So sa Jessie June, iba bucket list na lang yan next time yung Great Wall of China.
Bucket list? Dili na ba yung
So pag maka-apply siya next year ng visa, so ililibutin niya lahat, Beijing, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Chongqing. Diba te?
Hi. Oh, good morning.
左转，随后走右侧车道右转，行人车辆才开门。滴滴启开。
After for almost 40 minutes guys, we have reached the Temple of Heaven. Sa Didi Travel tayo, sa Alipay app tayo sa nag-book ng Didi Travel. Doon na rin yung payment guys. Very efficient. Yeah, today is Sunday. As usual, pag weekend, marami pa rin tao. Yeah. Nag-book tayo ng entrance fee sa trip.com. So no need na yung passport. No need na yung passport guys. May QR code na binigay sa atin. Baka yun lang yung i-scan sa entrance gate. Yung na-book namin na ticket sa trip.com guys is included na yun na 3 attractions here na makapasok tayo. So twice ni-scan yung ating QR code. Ganito yung view ng Temple of Heaven. Open talaga siya kapag open air. Tsaka drones are not allowed to fly here. And nakikita nyo na puti guys. According to the writings sa harap, we call that the Ling Gate. So it's a gate daw guys protecting the altar at the center. Parang may ginagawang gate.
咱们下去吧。
prayer.
我让你到中正场所。
Guys, papasok na tayo sa Echo Wall. Ito na yung main na temple. Yung parang may blue marble or jade sa wall ay sa ceiling. Kasali na ito sa ating nag-book na ticket sa trip.com. Guys, ito na yung wall, Echo Wall. Ito yung hindi natin napuntahan. And finally, we have been able to visit it. But guys, ang daming tao because it's Sunday. We're done exploring the Temple of Heaven. Hileya na po. Takdan ko ni Madam. So ngayon is Bird's Nest yung next natin na stop. Kasi gusto makita na Jassy yung Bird's Nest. Mag-DD pa rin tayo guys, DD Travel. Then we need to, target natin is balik na tayo ng hotel at 2 p.m. So by 1, travel na tayo. So may tatlong gate dito sa Temple of Leia. South, North at saka sa East. So it would be better. Pinaka-common po na gate is yung South. Sa South kayo dumaan. Yeah. From Temple of Heaven guys, we traveled halayo din almost 1 hour din siya guys. So we have reached the Bird's Nest. Malapitan tayo guys sa may stadium. So ibang entrance yung ating binabaan kasi doon nung last week sa kabila. Wag lamig! Dito tayo sa Bird's Nest. Parang close yung stadium guys. Kasi parang may event yata sa loob. So hindi kami makaakyat over there. Just last week nakaakyat pa tayo dyan.
Yeah.
Ngayon, hindi siya allowed. So, we'll go back to the hotel na para mag-final retouch. And we'll head back to the hotel for our flight to, finally, our 4th flight going to our destination, Almaty. Guys, we're back at the hotel. So, we'll fix na lang kasi lalabas na tayo at 2:30. 2:30, let's get out. Okay, time to fix. We'll head now to our 17th country. So, kapag check out na tayo, pipick upin din tayo ng kanilang shuttle service. going to back to the airport. No, so napaka-convenient talaga ng program ng Air China. We are now fetched by the shuttle service going to the airport. Yan. Pasok na tayo guys. Dito tayo binabasa may parking area. No, na parking, but drop off ng mga bus. So we need to go upstairs para sa departure. Yeah, we are done with the security check and the immigration guys. Guys, nagsastamp dito guys pag may temporary visa permit ka. Yeah. Kanina pala sa security check, kinuha lahat ng mga batteries, gadgets, pati yung drone ko na dala. For the record is may dala pa tayong drone. This is a DJI Air 3. DJI Air 3. Kasi mag-bring tayo ng drone sa Kazakhstan. So wala naman naging problema sa drone ko dito sa China. Yan. So that's it. We'll be heading to gate E20. Kasi doon yung ating boarding gate. Going to Almaty. And finally, we will be checking our 17th country. 17th country na tayo guys. Kazakhstan. Madam, how many countries na?
Congratulations. 11.
11 kay Madam. So pang 12 din mo ang Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
Pang 12 niya.
Pang 13 ng Kyrgyzstan.
So our layover time will be ending and will end here. And maybe guys we'll see each other in our Almaty vlog. That's all for this layover vlog. Yeah. See you on our next travel video. Bye!